So is AMD ready for a breakout just like Tesla? A lot of debate online, and obviously everybody says AMD is going to be like Tesla or it's going to rocket shoot up. But let's visit it technically, okay? Alright, now let's move over to my trading view here and let's visit Tesla first, how the breakout happened so we can reenact later on. So let me bring my highlighter here. As you can see, I like the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. You can see here, this part is the crucial point. This is where the 50 and 200 crossover, calling the golden cross. Before the golden cross, as you can see, it moves up here a bit, and you can see there's a fake out bull at this point here, and that point faked up a lot of folks, and folks are thinking it's going to go down because it's during the time where it's voting for Elon Musk. But is the prime 50-day moving average and also the very faint cut over that nobody really saw, and that was the real entry point here. If you entered here, and there you go, the rest is history, as you can see. And also the other clue that you're ready for priming is also because it broke through that window here, that barrier of support, that to show that it's gone already bottom. But this bottom point at this time you wouldn't be able to see. So let's go to AMD to see whether the same thing is going to happen soon. Okay, so now back on my AMD chart, and let me zoom out. So I have got my double red column, as you can see here, the two red lines, which I've not changed since the day I used this a year ago, a year or 18 months, quite a while ago. See, you see similar trend that the red band is below and also black. So we want to see the cross is not happening too soon. Let me zoom in a bit. I'm not very convinced. Why? Because as you can see here at this zone of support, it's coming down. Look at this 50-day moving average is coming down. It needs to stay up line for this to catch up, for the gap to catch in, but the gap is getting bigger now, so I am not impressed. It looks like it might be consolidating around this zone of 160 and 157. So as it stands just now, quickly you're asking me whether AMD looks like Tesla. I said no. It needs to really hover above the 165 zone. This zone of 165, it needs to hover around the area to allow this red band to go up, to allow this 200 days to come down, and when we meet, then potentially it could break up. But first it needs to break that top line first. So it's got a lot of support that it needs breaking, a lot of positive news media somewhere, maybe around about the Q3 earnings forecast. So a lot is required, but if you're telling me now it's going to happen, it's not going to happen. It is not the likes of like Tesla, as we have seen previously, which was very convincing, and many people caught it and took the benefit to write this on. So hope you found that short video useful. This is me at Family Investment. Buy Trigger is always open, and all I can say is Buy Trigger Club is just around the corner. I'm still testing a few stuff and putting more goodies value for all of you out there. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. Like, subscribe. Hope to see you soon.